today's Facebook live episode, we will discuss the ICC.
Ice cream cone conspiracy.
So anyhow, apparently I got triggered on yesterday Facebook Live, and I was trying to figure out what's going on. What's this ice cream about? And why did you mention ice cream?
Now, okay, to be fair, for those who don't know, I got
The background.
sick last year. So I was bedridden for a couple months, got a bunch of allergies, so I can't have normal ice cream anymore.
Yes.
She didn't like the last one because I did get some lactose-free that I could handle. But there was other reasons we were talking about ice cream that she didn't realize at first, and it just emotionally triggered her. Like, I am down like 70 pounds, getting in better shape every day. But
Yes, you're doing better. But why did you mention the ice cream? I need to know this why ice cream. And then last night we were having the discussion, and you're like, I said ice cream because of...
Well, there's some cultural things. Like, all of you kids is, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So...
Ice cream truck.
Exactly, like kids would run for miles to get to the ice cream truck. It's like it's ingrained into American psychology.
Yeah.
And it's sweet.
Sweet.
So, if you understand the psychology principle of transference, you can transfer one emotion to some other things. So there's some tricks you can do to get that ice cream you scream with the ice cream transferred to you.
But we're not going to say the whole thing. You're going to join our webinar on October 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to find out the whole reason why it's ice cream that you're going to give on the date to your desired woman. Or
there are other things you can do, but this is a fun one. Because ice cream, it has so many different little things that why is ice cream better than any other food for Americans? To stimulate arousal.
Okay. Anyway, anything else?
No, tune in tomorrow. We'll have fun topics. And if you have any thoughts or questions you'd like on relationships, help you getting the girl, put them in the comments so we can do some videos to help you out too.
Awesome.